Welcome to our instructional guide on reading fluency. In this video, we'll explore what reading fluency is, why it matters, and how can you develop it through engaging activities. Let's dive in! Reading fluency is the ability to read text accurately, quickly, and with proper expression. It's a critical skill for comprehension and overall literacy development. Fluent readers recognize words effortlessly, allowing them to focus in understanding the text. Reading fluency has the three main components. Number one, accuracy, correctly reading the words in the text. Number two, speed, reading at an appropriate pace. And number three, prosody, using proper expression and intonation. Fluent reading is essential because it directly impacts comprehension. When students read fluently, they can understand and enjoy what they read, learning to a more engaging and fulfilling reading experience. Now, let's look up some effective activities to improve reading fluency. These activities are fun, engaging, and can be easily incorporated into your classroom or home routine. Activity 1. Repeated reading involves having students read the same text several times until they achieve fluency. This helps build accuracy, speed, and confidence. And for the instructions, let's have the first one. Select a short, meaningful passage. Number 2, have the student read it aloud multiple times. Number 3, provide feedback and encouragement. Let's move on for the activity 2. Paired reading. In paired reading, students take turns reading aloud to each other. This peer instructions or interaction fosters fluency and comprehension. And for the instructions, so we have number 1, pair students with similar reading levels. Number 2, have them read passage aloud, alternating sentences or paragraphs. And number 3, encourage them to help each other with difficult words. Let's move on for the activity 3, which is Reader's Theater. Reader's Theater is a fun and interactive way to practice fluency. Students perform a script, focusing on expression and timing. And let's now move on for the instruction for the activity number 3. Number 1, choose an engaging script appropriate for the student's reading level. Assign roles and have students practice reading their parts. The next one, perform the script, focusing on fluency and expression. Let's move on to another activities. Echo reading involves the teacher reading a passage aloud, followed by students echoing the same passage. This helps model fluent reading. And for the instructions, number 1, read a sentence or paragraph aloud. Number 2, have students repeat the passage, mimicking their pace and expression. And number 3, repeat as needed, gradually increasing the length of the passages. Let's move on to activity number 5, timed reading. Timed reading helps students increase their reading speed. They read a passage within a set of time and track their progress. And for the instructions, select a passage appropriate for the student's level. Set a timer for 1 minute. Have the student read as much as they can within the time limit. And the last one, track the number of words read correctly and aim to improve with each attempt. By incorporating these activities into your routine, you can help students become more fluent readers, improving their comprehension and overall reading enjoyment. Thank you for watching and happy reading!